Hey YouTubers, more from Mavic. I just want to talk about body cam this morning and how to wear them very discreetly. If you have a body camera in your pocket, it's very visible if it's on the outside. Even if you put it on the inside, like this particular camera has a head that can rotate. See, this head can rotate, so it can be on the outside, but you still see the clip in the top of the head is very visible. What I do is I just take a little piece of cardboard that is about double the width of the pocket. If you make the cardboard very snug fitting, it's going to make it a lot more difficult for it to fall out. So now I can walk around and the only thing showing is the very top of the camera. You don't want to hide a camera because you don't want people to think you're spying, but at the same time, if you're someplace you can record legally, you sometimes run across people who don't think you should be recording, and by having it very visible, it agitates them. So this way, I only record to keep as a witness of the camera. If something happens, I can have the camera corroborate what I did or didn't do, or what I said or didn't say. Or if I'm walking somewhere and someone has a dog and it attacks me or something, they can't say I did something to make the dog upset. You know, I have a witness. There's a lot of spiteful mutants and liars out there, so this way you have some protection. It's the new normal. So yeah, if you're out and about, if you put stuff in the other pocket, it detracts from the stuff in this pocket. So you can still see if you have your wits about you, you can still see that I'm recording. And if someone asks me if I'm recording, I'll just say I hope so. If I'm somewhere where I can legally do that. You don't want to agitate people, and I only record just in case something happens. I have a witness. That's the only reason I'm doing this. I'm not trying to get people at their weak moment and put it on YouTube to make them look like a fool forever. I hate that stuff. This is just if something happened weird, or if we have aliens, you know, you can capture them, I guess. So guys, that's how I think is a good idea to hide your camera, your body camera. And I recommend having one highly. When you leave the house, when you're out and about, if you're all by yourself, you need to have a witness. If you're in my neck of the woods, all right guys, take care and see you out there, or maybe not.